Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can update the graphics driver in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us go to our device manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to device manager options. So once the device manager window is open on your screen, all you need to do is just to go to display adapters, and you will see there the graphics card that is present or that is in your device. So here I have the AMD Radeon TM graphics card, and once you click on that and then make a right click on it, click on properties, you will see the driver date. So let us see if this is recent or the latest. So I have here the driver date with 2021 or year of 2021. So in order for us to update this driver, all you need to do is just click on this update driver and then click on the first option here that says search automatically for drivers, and once you do that, then it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed. Then you're good to go. But if you want also to update this driver, all you need to do is just to search this one in the browser. So please open your browser. Let me just minimize this one, and let us open our Google Chrome. Okay, so I will search here in the Google Chrome my uh, graphics card. I will type AMD Radeon graphics driver update. Okay, so let me just maximize this one. Let us scroll down a little bit, and if you see the AMD website, please click on that, and you will be able to select or choose for the choose for the drivers that is suited for your Windows. So I have here Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 11 drivers option. So if you want to download the update for this one, all you need to do is just click this download button here, and the software for the driver will now be downloaded in your device, and it will appear here in this section, and please just install it in your device. But if you're also using Nvidia or Intel, then all you need to do is just do the same process. Just search the driver name in the search tab here, and you will see the website for the graphic card that you have, and just please click on the download button or download options that you will see there. Okay, so if you want also to change the display resolution, you can do that by, let me just minimize this one, making a right click here in your desktop, and you will see here the display settings. So please click on that, and once you're on the display settings, we will look for display resolution, and you can adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. So just click on this drop down button here to choose for the resolution or the the resolution that you want for your device. So the higher the resolution, the greater or the better the display. Okay, so I have here the highest recommended, and if you set this one to or if you make changes, then all you need to do is to click on that and then just make a quick restart for your changes to be applied, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.